How can you explain such a clear preference for Voxme technology over others?
I worked with Voxme for 6 years at my 2 previous jobs.
Let me ask why you dropped the device.
Because it's
with
on a
another
fucking
application.
Windows tablet. I can have Voxme Inventory on my iPhone and not depend on the fucking warehouse Wi-Fi.
Please describe the typical workflow with
It's
application.
very simple. You pack a box, pick it up and put it in a container and do so 200 times.
At the same time you should open a job, write numbers and contents of boxes.
Describe and photograph damage.
Check bingo by scanning labels. Sign the customer on the screen. Collect payments. Send packing list to the office. And now you can go on a break.
Stop talking, go back to work, or I'll fire your sorry ass.
I saw you on TV, and I will be on TV,